Hello, everybody. It is Sunday, February 7th, and I hope you had a good week. And welcome once again to our weekly meeting here about our online astronomy course. Well, I hope you've had a good week. Hope everything's gone well for you. And what can I say about this coming week? Well, if you take a look in your mailbox today, you've probably noticed that you have an email that the test, the first exam, is opening up on Monday and will run through the following Sunday. So this is your first exam. It's on modules 1 through 4. The tests are open book, open notes. You're welcome to look at your homework quizzes while you're doing the exam. And you'll be taking this exam on KaiTester. If you don't know where KaiTester is, there's a link to KaiTester on the course homepage. After you've done taking the exam is 35 multiple choice questions. When you're done and you get your score, you can, if you want to, review the questions you missed on KaiTester and then take the exam again and see if you can raise your score. If you take the exam a second time, then I give you the average of your two scores. And you don't have to take the exam again. If you do decide to take the exam again, you don't have to take it the same day you took it the first time. You can take it a day later if you want to, so you have time to look up the answers. And yeah, just so you get them both done within the exam period. The exam period runs from starting tomorrow through next Sunday. So good luck. All the information you'll need to answer the exam questions is on your homework quizzes. Now, that doesn't mean that the questions are going to be the same as on the homework quizzes, because they aren't, but all the information is there. Plus, I do ask a question or two about the videos, really easy questions, just to see if you're watching them. So that's what the exam is like. And this coming week, you're going to have your module 5, and that is on what you see behind me here, our planet Earth. And if you come to this location about 5 billion years ago, you wouldn't have seen an Earth, you wouldn't have seen a sun, because they hadn't been born yet out of a cloud of gas and dust. So you're going to learn about the entire history of our Earth. It's really fascinating stuff, and it's an incredibly long time. It really is a long time. And if you had a piece of paper, and you're going to stretch this little strip of paper all the way around Earth, all the way around Earth's equator, then on how much of that strip of paper would be your life story? How much space would that take up? And the answer is it would take only about 5 centimeters, about 2 inches worth of space for your life story so far. Now, I'm using an age of 21, just as an average. But so, there's so much time before your own lifetime and before our ancestors' lifetime, when Earth was developing and changing, and you're going to learn all about that. And Earth is still changing. And some of the change is natural, and some of the change is change that we are causing. And I'm talking about climate change here. If you take a look at Earth behind me, you might notice this very thin blue, little blue band that's right along the horizon. That's our atmosphere. And there's not very much of it. It looks like if you step outside and you see the clouds and everything, sounds, how much stuff is in our atmosphere. But if you could condense our atmosphere down into a liquid like water, how much space would it take up? Would it fill up the oceans? Nope. It would just barely fill up the Mediterranean Sea. And so that's how much air there is. And we know in our lifetimes, the Mediterranean Sea has become very polluted. And so has our atmosphere, and primarily with carbon dioxide. And so our climate is slowly changing. Earth is slowly heating up, and that is going to change our climate. And I hope you'll read, I really want you to read. Sometimes we think about, well, climate change, that's just for people who live along the coast who are going to have to worry. But in your readings for this module, there's a reading on what the impact of the Southwest is going to be. It was written in 2018. Yeah, 2018. And if you read it, see what their predictions are for the effects of climate change, you'll see that some of those are already coming true. Now, it's hard to, look outside, like right now, February. Here we are in the end of the first week of February, and it's 40 degrees outside. All the snow in my yard and my driveway is melted. And so, that's certainly warmer than usual. Is that due to climate change? And the answer is that's awfully hard to say. You can't say that this event here of this, period of warmer weather right now is due to climate change. But on average, if you take a look at how climate is changing all over the planet, you can draw conclusions. And you'll read the reports of top scientists who say definitely how the climate is changing and what we can expect those changes to look like. So do read that and let me know if you have any questions about anything. Oh, I'll mention that next Monday, not tomorrow Monday, but Monday the 15th is President's Day. And so your Module 5 homework quizzes are actually due the Tuesday. And so you have an extra day to do this. So I hope you enjoy learning about this amazing history of our planet Earth. And if you have any questions, you can always contact me. We can set up a Zoom meeting and talk about stuff. But good luck on your exam. I hope it goes well for you. And I will look forward to seeing you next week and talk about what's going on in week 6. So until then, I will see you next time and have a great week. Good luck on the exam. Bye-bye.